My order from simplymedical.com arrived, and my friend here is excited for an unboxing. After trying to open it for a few minutes, she gave up and took a nap. Time to actually get this open. Now let's see what we have. Sorry, I think these are all for me. First, we have my green drop compression sleeve for my knee. Restocking my medicine cabinet with activated charcoal bandages by Patch. This super convenient mobility combo pack. A blood pressure monitor by Veridian. What I'm most excited about, the ShoeZap UV sanitizer to keep my running shoes fresh. As for her, I think she just wanted the box.